Lapenlong ya Riti Academy Annual Award Ceremony ka Bapra Haraj Bhavan Shillong ban Pynkupburom ya Ngut ki Riewdonsap bapau na kabenta kajing tebet jongki ha kaput ketem kathok katar kalat pathai kubor bat kisap ki phonglam baga kor digital ulat kejela Meghalaya UCH Vijaya Shankar balalongkum ukongsan ha kani kesni ula ajing ro ikijing la ajong ka Riti Academy ban itho ikisamla ki Riewdonsap bat kentu ikijing trailang na baro ban yelam lenti ikisamla paman ikijing ki imlang sa langkum kajing kerni yautrong kajing shangkurim khenna bat kajing pang HIV lasami ka khusnam rana kharkongor award chau Dr. Meban Lampang Lingdo akalyang kaput katem ka khusnam S Question Sumi Award yau ba rangkit bok si dokrut hakalyang katho katar Kasumar Singh Sawian Award yau ba kermel nang Yuria hakalyang ki kampathai khubor ka Pritpal Singh Sidiv Award yau ba Ramkinjin nakabenta ka Visual Arts pat uba Ricky Paul Marwen ulayo pliang ya ka Crystal Gale Karnayor Award hakalyang ka Digital Arts yakini ki khusnam na samda ulat ka jala ka jingdon tangkat uba Rafael Warjri Chairman ka Riti Academy uba FR Kharkongor Dr. BDR Tiwari haringkat ka jingdon lang ki bahiyeng hasem jong kinong yo khusnam lapen kodro yakini ka sngi ka jingruai na ka dala Riti ji Karnayor kumshi bentaban kun mau purom yak henmen jongka
Myself, I feel everyone were away, nothing is permanent here, including we people. Nothing is permanent. And what is permanent? Riti Award is permanent. Our achievement is permanent. What we contribute to the family, to the society, to the nation, that is permanent. Our achievement, dedication, sacrifice, that is permanent. Other than that, nothing is permanent. And second thing, after seeing this child, I feel that not only this baby, this child, every child is a asset of the family, to their families. Not only asset to the family, this kind of personalities or this kind of personalities, asset to the society. Not only asset to the society, but all asset to the nation. Asset to the nation. So ultimately, you have to be the asset of the nation. Asset of the nation. So, in the name of this baby, you have taken very good decision. You have taken very good decision. That too, this award should be given in the name of governor, Whoever governor may be here, but all the times an opportunity to remember this baby in the Rajbhavan. And award given in the name of this child. It's really wonderful. They were a standing example to the rest of the others. No one should not lose their children in the middle. But if at all something is going to happen, by that time, what is the responsibility of the parents? How they should take it positively. So you are the standing example for that. Of course, death, again, that baby cannot come back. But whatever the decision you taken positively, ultimately, an academy you are able to form. And many of the dignitaries, many of the scholars, many of the well-known personalities, you are able to identify and bring them here, honor them in the name of their child. It's really wonderful. Really wonderful. This message should go to the rest of the other parents also. How should they think of their children, and if at all their life, how should they live? If at all something is going to happen, how their parents should take that issue in their lifetime. I'm really very happy, very, very happy, and really I'm very thankful to Mr. Vajri. You see, achievement, if at all you mind, it is beyond imagination, I tell you.